Oh, sorry, Bert. Let's go walk with the folks. We had freezing rain this morning. Looks like we got some more coming in. Be careful, dogs. Oh, there's ice out here. I had trouble back in the driveway when I came home for work. We had to put some salt down before I backed in. I kept sliding sideways. We got more sleet coming in and freezing rain. Don't pull me. It's gonna be slick out here. There was some deers out here last night. I got that corn, just a pile of corn up there yet. It's probably really hard without the ice on it. But I saw the deer eyes last night. Actually, it was early this morning in the dark. Didn't have my camera with me. My little pond over there is frozen. What are you after? Oh, there's a squirrel there. There's a squirrel. Oh, there's a squirrel. See that squirrel, Barkley? Don't wrap around me, Barkley. I'm trying to get around you. She wants that squirrel. You want that squirrel? She's so cute when she does that. That squirrel, no, I won't let you go. Come on. Come on, Lucy. Come on. Oh, Barkley, hold on. No, wrapping around me. You don't know that. You don't have sense enough to know that. Come on, girl. She will be closer if he has that longer leash. Come on. You're getting up in the tree. Come on. Gotta watch this hill here. Oh. That bridge is slick too. Gotta keep off the sidewalk. Gotta be all ice. She's peeing. Barkley, no. I ain't gonna let you. Good girl, Lucy. Good girl.
You have entered a monitoring area.
Oh, Lucy, you got down on your leg. Hold on, these things are wrapped around each other again. Lucy, stop. Stop. Give me your leg. Give me your leg. There you go. Give me your other leg. There you go. That's a smart dog. Yeah, that's a smart dog. Let's go. I filled up all the bird feeders when I got home.
You have entered a monitoring area.
You guys keep going crisscrossing. Crisscrossing. Barkley, stop it. See if she got to do anything else. It's supposed to be rain now and then turn to sleet later today. Okay, ready to go in the house? Come on, Barkley, let's go in the house. Thank the folks for walking with us. Yeah, thank you. Thank folks. We enjoy walking with you. If I can get these things undone.